Hello students, here's Geography subject Chapter 4 Part 2. The air in the flying lantern gets heated once the candle is lit. The hot air expands, becomes lighter and starts moving up. Therefore, the lantern is also lifted up towards the sky. In nature too, a similar phenomena occurs. Temperature and air pressure are closely related. Wherever the temperature is high, the air pressure is low. As the temperature rises, the air gets heated, expands and becomes lighter. This lighter air in the vicinity of the Earth's surface starts moving upwards the sky. As a result, the air pressure in such areas decreases. Temperature zone and pressure belts are interrelated to each other, but the latitudinal extent of the temperature zone is much larger while pressure belts are narrower. For example, the temperate zone extends from 20 degree 30 minutes to 66 degree 30 minutes. Compared to this, the air pressure belt has limited extent. It is generally up to 10 degree parallel. The uneven distribution of temperature influences the distribution of air pressure too. This leads to the formation of low and high pressure belts horizontally between the equator and the poles. Pressure belts on the Earth's surface. The heat received from the sun is uneven in different regions. Hence, the distribution of the temperature is uneven from the equator to the poles. As a result, the temperature zones are created. We have studied this in the previous class. Now we will see equatorial low pressure belt. The sun rays can be perpendicular between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. So the temperature is higher in this region. Hence, air in this region gets heated, expands, becomes lighter and moves towards the sky. As this process operates continuously, a low pressure belt gets formed in the center part of this region between the parallel 5 degree north and 5 degree south. Now we will see polar high pressure belt. In both the polar region, the temperature is below 0 degrees Celsius. Hence, there the air is cold. As a result, high pressure belts get formed. These are called polar high pressure belts. They generally occupy the area between 80 degree and 90 degree parallel in both the hemisphere. The duration and the intensity of sun rays varies during particular periods of the year in both the hemispheres. As a result, the locations of the temperature zone and the pressure belt depend on the sun's heat also vary. This change is of the order of 5 degree to 7 degree towards north in Uttarayan and 5 degree to 7 degree south in Dakshinayan. This is called oscillation of pressure belts. Mid-latitudinal high pressure belts. The heated air becomes lighter, starts ascending and after reaching higher altitudes move towards the polar region, that is towards the north and the south pole. Due to low temperature at the higher altitudes, the air cools down and becomes heavier. This heavier air descends down in both the hemisphere in the region between 20 degree to 35 degree parallel. This leads to the formation of high pressure belt in these parallel of latitudes in both the hemispheres. This air is dry, hence the region does not get rainfall. Consequently, most of the hot desert on the earth are found in these regions. Subpolar low pressure belts. Due to the Earth's curvature, the area between the two parallels get reduced as we move towards the pole. This results in lesser friction of the air with the Earth's surface. Air in this region is thrown out because of this reduced friction and also because of the Earth's rotational motion. This leads to the development of a low pressure belt. This condition is observed in the area between 55 degree and 65 degree parallel in both the hemispheres. Remember, the major difference between the temperature zones and pressure belts is that the temperature zones are continuous and are spread from the equator to the poles from torrid to frigid. Pressure belts are not continuous, and areas of high and low pressure are found in different regions from the equator to the poles. What are the effects? Air pressure has the following effects: origin of winds, generation of storms, convectional type of rain. The line that joins the places of equal pressures on the map is called an isobar. Do you know the air pressure at sea level is 1013.2 millibars? Now use your brain. If there is low pressure at the equator, what will be the condition of air pressure in the Arctic zone? Answer is, the Arctic zone will experience high pressure as the temperature is lower than 0 degree Celsius. Now, air pressure is measured in units of millibars. For this, an instrument called barometer is used. The air pressure at the Earth's surface is measured with this instrument. Study the temperature distribution map given in your lower class and the pressure distribution map in this lesson to find the correlation between air temperature and air pressure. Thank you.